Welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter number 3, that is multiples and factors, we are going to learn word problems related to LCM and HCF. Let's solve my practice time 6, children. In this question number 1 is there are 32 rasgullas and 48 burfis in 2 boxes. What is the largest number of boxes in which rasgullas and burfis can be packed together such that equal numbers of both are there in each box? So here we have to find the largest number of boxes. Whenever it is asking to find largest number or greatest number or the maximum number, so we have to find the HCF of the number. Okay, so here we have to find the HCF of 32 and 48. Okay, so I am finding here the HCF by long division method. You can use prime factorization method also. Okay, so the greatest number is 48, so 48 will be the dividend and 32 will be the divisor. Now divide it, 32 ones are 32. Now subtract this 32 from 48, you will get 16. Now this 16 will become the divisor and this 32 will become the dividend. So write 32 here and 16 here. Now divide this 32 by 16, 16 2s are 32. So the last divisor is 16. So the HCF of 32 and 48 is 16. So hence the largest number of boxes in which rasgullas and burfis that can be packed in each box is equals to 16 boxes. So the answer is 16 boxes. Question number 4, children. There are 18, 15 and 21 chocolates in 3 packets. Shyam wants to distribute them equally among some children. Find the maximum number of children among whom the chocolates can be distributed. So I have already taught you that whenever it is asking maximum number, largest number, greatest number, so we have to find the HCF of the numbers. Okay, so here we have to find 18, 15 and 21. HCF of 18, 15 and 21. So find out the HCF of 18, 15 and 21. Here I am using prime factorization method. Okay, so we have to find a common factor of 18, 15 and 21. I have already taught you how to find HCF using prime factorization method. So here we have to find common factor of 18, 15 and 21. So the common factor is 3. Okay, so divided by 3 you will get 6, 5 and 7. Okay, so now again find out the common factor of 6, 5 and 7. There is no common factor of 6, 5 and 7. So we will stop it here only. So our HCF will be 3. So the HCF is 3. Hence the maximum number of children among whom the chocolates can be distributed is 3. Our answer is 3. Number 5, children. Here you want to plant 48 tomato plants, 54 coconut plants and 66 mango plants in your garden. If you put the same number of plants in each row and each row has only one type of plants, what is the greatest number of plants that you can put in one row? Okay, so here it is asking to find the greatest number, so we have to find the HCF of 48, 54 and 66. Now find out the HCF of 48, 54 and 66. Here I am using prime factorization method. So we have to find the common factor of 48, 54 and 66. The common factor is 2. When you will divide it by 2, you will get 24, 27 and 33. Now again we have to find the common factor. The common factor is 3. So divided by 3, you will get 8, 9 and 11. So after this 8, 9 and 11 is not having any common factor, so we will stop it here only. So the HCF will be 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So the HCF is 6. The greatest number of plants, therefore the greatest number of plants that can be put in one row is 6 plants. So our answer is 6 plants here. Okay, so thank you, children.